If you've been grinding online for months, maybe even years, and you still don't have enough leads coming in, you're not alone. If you're working harder than you ever have and your bank account still doesn't reflect it, you're not alone. And if you've handed your hard earned money over to a company that promised you the world, then left you with nothing but a login you can't even use anymore, you are definitely not alone. I talk to marketers every single day who are exhausted, not lazy, not unmotivated, exhausted. They post every day and nobody sees it. They run ads and the leads don't convert. They join the next big thing because someone in a Facebook group told them it was the answer. And 6 months later, that company folds or changes its comp plan or just disappears with their money. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. The problem was never you. The problem is you were never given a real system. You were given hype. You were given a product to sell without a foundation to sell it from. This is exactly why I built Freedom Fighters Mastermind. Not another opportunity, not another shiny object, a real proven framework for attraction-based marketing that teaches you how to generate your own leads, build your own audience, and make money whether or not any single company survives. Because when you learn how to actually market, you're never at the mercy of one product, one company, or one comp plan again. You become the asset. Nobody can take that away from you. I'm holding a live webinar this weekend where I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing inside Freedom Fighters Mastermind. No fluff, just a firsthand look at the actual system. If you want in, comment, send me the information below, and I'll send you the details personally. And because I want to make this worth your time, everyone who shows up live is getting something for free. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. You'll have to be there to find out. Comment below. Let's get you out of the grind and into a real system that works.